You want to check integrity of the gasket. If the integrity is okay, then you want to go and check the oil. If the oil is thin, then it doesn't have the lubricating ability, it doesn't have the extreme pressure ability to cushion that rotating part on the crankshaft. So the connecting rod will actually move on that journal up and down because the oil is too thin. It can't cushion that blow. If you change the oil, it restores that cushion and the noise goes away, you resolve the issue. If the noise does not go away, then the condition of being thin or diluted has gone into a progressive damage state. So then you would need to refer to the lower end and do a heavier inspection. If the gaskets have failed or they're not good, you replace the gaskets and that should resolve the knocking noise under load.